2028 X8 off-road truck and heavy vehicle test in Jalava, Czech Republic was a dramatic and impressive display. These powerful vehicles conquered harsh terrains such as muddy paths, mountain slopes, and rugged rocks, keeping the audience on the edge of their seats. Skilled drivers handled the machinery with precision and finesse, turning each challenge into an intense race. The event attracted a large crowd of enthusiasts, not only to admire the truck's power, but also to experience the endless talent and passion of the drivers behind the wheel.